Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App on Doordash without card. So let's get into the video. So simply open up your Cash App. So open up your Cash App, and what you're going to do now is you're going to link your Cash App with a debit card. So go to your Cash App, hit on your profile here on your top right, and then you'll see linked banks there under account and settings. Click on it and then hit on link debit card. So link any of your debit cards, so link it, and then so plug in the details of your debit card, hit on link card, and then that's it. You have linked your card. So now what we're going to do, we're going to you're going to cash out the balance from my Cash App to my debit card that I just linked. So when you're on your home screen here, so depending on whatever balance you have, like I have none, so I have zero balance, just type in the balance that you wish to send to your debit card. So type that in and then hit on cash out, and then cash it out to your debit card. So once you have sent this to your debit card, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply open up your Doordash and then make an order. So just make an order and then get to the checkout page. So when you get to the checkout page where you're going to do the payment here, open up the payment section. So under the payment section, simply what you're going to do, just use the payment method as the debit card as your method, and simply plug in the details of the debit card that you just linked to your Cash App. So in that way you can use your Cash App on Doordash without any need of card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.